Whoa! Hi! I've just collected my Bakau 3 epoxy resin tabletop from the wood joinery factory, having it nicely cut and trimmed. This is Gay and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. This is part 2 of the video. If you haven't, please do remember to check out part 1 on how to create an epoxy resin tabletop. Next, we are going to unwrap the plastic and see the results. Whoa! Look at this. If you are not impressed, look again. Precise cutting and trimming and the corners and edges. Well, I'm not very satisfied with the sanding results. As you can see here, there are a lot of swirl marks on the epoxy resin. Next, I have no choice but to do a little bit of extra sanding using my Bosch Random Orbit sander. Beginning with a grit size of 150, 240, 320, 400 and finally finishing with 600. After days and days and multiple grit size of sanding, this is what you get. Next, I'm gonna polish the tabletop using boiled linseed oil followed by buffing. How do you find my Bakau 3 epoxy resin tabletop? Do you like it? If you are interested to find out more about epoxy resin, please don't forget to check out my other videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my upcoming home improvement videos. Bye bye for now.